Think about the device sitting under your TV right now. Is it a smart TV that's getting slower every day? A streaming stick that freezes when you try to watch 4K content? Or maybe you're using the current Apple TV 4K, thinking it's the best it's ever going to get. Well, I have a warning for you. Do not buy an Apple TV today. Because what Apple is about to drop in 2026 isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reimagining of what a TV box can be. We are talking about a massive leap that changes your living room from a cinema into a high-end gaming console and a personal AI assistant hub. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Apple TV 4K. The leaks, the hardware, and the secret features that Apple doesn't want you to know yet. If you want to future-proof your home, you need to hear this. For years, Apple TV has been the premium choice. It's smooth, it's fast, and it works with your iPhone. But let's be honest, it's been a bit boring lately. The 2022 model was just a spec bump. But 2026? This is where everything changes. The heart of this new beast is the A18 Pro chip. Now you might think, it's just a chip, who cares? You should. This is the same 3nm powerhouse found in the iPhone 15 Pro. This isn't just for loading Netflix faster. This chip brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing to your TV. Imagine playing Resident Evil Village or Death Stranding directly on your Apple TV with the same graphics quality as a dedicated console. No lag, no overheating, just pure power. Apple is finally coming for PlayStation and Xbox, and they are doing it through your living room. But performance is only half the story. The real magic of 2026 is something called Apple Intelligence. We've seen it on the iPhone, but on the big screen? It's a game changer. Have you ever spent 20 minutes scrolling through Netflix just trying to find something to watch? We all have. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is rumored to feature a completely revamped Siri. This isn't the Siri that says, "I found this on the web." This is a Siri that understands context. You can say, "Hey Siri, show me that movie where the guy travels through time but ends up in a library," and it will know exactly what you mean. With 8 GB of RAM, double what we have now, this device will handle AI locally. Your privacy stays intact, but your experience becomes incredibly personalized. It will learn your habits. It will know that on Friday nights, you want action movies, and on Sunday mornings, you want the news. It won't just be a streaming box, it will be your entertainment concierge. And let's talk about connectivity. We've all dealt with buffering. Even with high-speed internet, Wi-Fi interference can ruin a 4K movie night. Apple is fixing this with the N1 networking chip. This brings Wi-Fi 7 to the Apple TV 4K 2026. If you have a Wi-Fi 7 router, you're looking at speeds and stability that make traditional cables look slow. Whether you're streaming 4K Dolby Vision 2 content or playing a heavy multiplayer game, the connection will be rock solid. But wait, there's a secret feature that has the tech world buzzing. Rumors suggest that the 2026 model might finally include a built-in camera or at least a dedicated Home Hub mode